Hello guys, my name is Damilare and welcome to yet another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the Tecno Pouvoir 2, so if you're interested to see what's inside the box and knowing my first impression about the device, please kindly watch. Without further delay, let's get into the unboxing. If you're just coming to my channel for the very first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button just below the video. Opening the box, we are greeted with the Tecno Pouvoir 2 phone, which looks amazing with those curved edges. I got the gold color, which is not what I wanted. I wanted to get the black. I don't know why I keep getting gold, but putting that aside, digging more, we have the fast charger. We have the micro USB. Sadly, it is not a Type-C cord. We have the earpiece, which is the ordinary earpiece from Tecno, the 13-month warranty, the boom base slip, the ejector pin, the manual, which I'll pretend to be reading, and finally the silicone case. Now that's all you find in the box. Removing the plastic off the front and also from the back. The back has a nice finishing which makes it look as if it's metal, but once you heat it or you touch it properly, you know that it is made from plastic. At the back of the device, you can see the 30 megapixel rear facing camera along with the dual LED flash. Just below the camera, you find the fingerprint sensor for you unlocking your phone easily. It's positioned perfectly for your finger to easily access it and unlock your phone. Now, turning to the right side of the mobile phone, you find your dual SIM slot, your volume rocker, and the power button. On top of the phone, you find your 3.5mm jack for your earpiece. At the left side, you find your memory card slot where you can insert your memory cards. And below the phone, you find your speaker, your micro USB slot, and your mouthpiece. Just above the screen, you find your 8 megapixel front-facing camera along with a single LED flash. Booting up the Tecno Pouvoir 2 took about 5 minutes, and the phone comes with Android 8.1 Oreo, which is the latest update when it comes to the Oreo version, and alongside the iOS 3.3 UI, which is Tecno's interface for Android mobile devices. Taking a look at the specifications of the device, the Pouvoir 2 comes with a 2GB RAM, 16GB inbuilt memory, and a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with a resolution of 1440 by 720 HD display. So you can stream your movies at 720p and have some amazing view. When it comes to security of the device comes with a fingerprint sensor, which needs some updates to adjust some delay, I guess. And also it comes with a Face ID, so you can unlock your phone with your face. But at the end of the day, I was able to get it. You have to take the phone closer to your face for you to be able to get this to work properly. Please do ignore my facial expression while trying to enroll for the Face ID. So let's talk about the battery. The Tecno Pouvoir 2 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is the main selling point of the device. If you are someone who loves battery, this is for you. The 5000 mAh battery can easily be recharged with a fast charge. I've not tested the duration which you can feel from 0 to 100, but I'm still going to do that in the full review, so you can subscribe and watch out for the full review of the phone. Tecno boasts of the device lasting for 96 hours on standby, which is 4 days straight. So let's talk about the camera. The Tecno Pouvoir 2 comes with an amazing rear facing camera, which is 30 megapixel with a dual LED flash. You can see pictures that I took with it, and also the selfie camera, which is 8 megapixel with a LED flash. The pictures are quite okay, and it also has a portrait mode. But the issue I found with the portrait mode is that there are some places that are exempted if your background is complicated or the background is busy. I think this can be fixed with a update. That's what I think about the camera. But apart from that, the phone comes with an amazing camera for that price. Talking about the price, the phone comes at $46,500, which if you convert to dollars is about $130. My view about this price is it's average for that kind of battery, the camera and other accessories that come with it. It worth that price. So it depends on you. If that fits your range or your budget, then you can get a device. Thank you for watching this video. This is just my unboxing and first impression video. If you want to see the full review, please kindly subscribe. I'll be posting that in a week or 2 weeks to come. And also, I'm going to be giving this phone away in a couple of weeks. So if you're interested in that, please kindly follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channels. Thank you very much for watching. I remain Damilari.